So it got to be 45 degrees below zero here in 1937. The cold temperatures in this region contributed to the development of some early commerce. In 1868, the Boca Ice and Mill Company discovered that winter temperatures were most often low enough that it could harvest ice from its farms and sell it commercially. Blocks of ice were stored in sawdust and shipped to the Central Valley of California. There, they were packed around fruits and vegetables for shipments to eastern markets. In the 1920s, mechanical ice-making equipment brought an end to this method of shipping, and the ice harvesting business began to decline.